November 622, at the departure end, fly heading 250 for now, and I'll get you back to the downwind.
250, 622.
Alright, is that 786, fly heading 300, runway 26, clear for takeoff.
Heading 300, 26, clear for takeoff, that's at 76.
62, once again, left turn 250, left turn 250.
For 62 at left turn?
Left turn, 250.
Left turn to 250 for 62.
Or Niner Quebec Hotel, report to 737, the blue one, holding short, runway 26 in sight.
We got that traffic in sight for 9 Quebec Hotel.
For 9 Quebec Hotel, roger. Maintain visual separation from the traffic, caution wake turbulence for short approaches approved, runway 26 cleared, touch and go.
Short approach approved, we will keep separation in the runway 26 cleared, touch and go, 739 Quebec Hotel.
Number 62, verify, you on a 250 heading?
Affirmative, it was a 360 for us to make a 250 heading for 62.
Negative, turn southbound immediately, 62, southbound immediately, traffic departing runway 26 is a Challenger. 62, 180 southbound, 62 respond.
180 southbound for 62.
62, there was never 360 ever put in that transmission. I want to do on a 250 heading so I can get you off the line for the center line.
Yes, you gave us a left turn 250, which was a 350-degree turn for 622.
No, it's not. Runway 26 is 260 heading. A left turn is a 10-degree left turn. Southwest 4692, fly runway heading runway 26 for takeoff.
Runway for takeoff 26 Southwest 4692.
Jet to 786, reset your transponder, squawk 4230.
423078.
Number 62, make a left turn and join the downwind for runway 26.
Left turn to the downwind 62.
Air Rescue 1, I think I already told you the landing will be at your own risk, use caution.
Air Rescue 1.
Remember 9 Quebec Hotel spacing is not going to work. Just go around the right side of the runway when you're able to.
Going around right side of the runway, 739 Quebec Hotel.
That's a 786, contact departure to you. November 62, extend downwind. November 9 Quebec Hotel, when you're able to, at midfield, you can make right traffic.
Midfield, make right traffic, 739 Quebec Hotel.
Central Tower, November 737, Yankee Foxtrot, holding short of runway 26 at Delta 4, ready for departure.
Number 737, Yankee Foxtrot, back to the ready. Southwest 4692, fly heading 270, contact departure.
270 heading in over to departure, goodbye, Southwest 4692.
Number 7 Yankee Foxtrot, caution wake turbulence, fly heading 300, runway 26, clear for takeoff.
300, runway 26, clear for takeoff, 78 Foxtrot.
And 62 show base.
Negative. November 9 Quebec Hotel, short approach is approved, runway 26, clear touch and go, traffic party freighter out with Skyhawk.
And 26, clear for touch go, short approach, and 39 Quebec Hotel. Let's make a full stop if you want us to.
We're 9 Quebec Hotel now. You guys can get the touch and go.
Roger, touch and go, 9 Quebec Hotel.
November 622, you can turn base now. You're number 2, following a Skyhawk behind you and a short base, runway 26, clear touch and go.
Turning base, looking for the Skyhawk, clear touch, runway 26, 62.